chest. I know it's hard to digest. Why don't you come inside and